Hello friends, today we are learn alphabets letter with picture. Now we start. Letter A. A is for ant. This is a ant. Okay, next letter is B. Letter B. B is for bear. This is a bear. Okay, next letter is C. Letter C. C is for cat. This is a cat. Okay, next letter is D. Letter D. D is for dog. This is a dog. Can you find letter E? Yes, I found letter E. Letter E. E is for elephant. This is elephant. Okay, next letter is F. Letter F. F is for frog. This is a frog. Okay, next letter is G. Letter G. G is for giraffe. This is a giraffe. Okay, next letter is S. Letter H. H is for hippo. This is a hippo. Okay, next letter is I. Letter I. I is for iguana. This is iguana. Okay, next letter is J. Letter J. J is for jellyfish. This is a jellyfish. Okay, next letter is K. Can you find letter K? Yes, I found letter K. Letter K. K is for koala. This is a koala. Okay, next letter is L. Letter L. L is for lion. This is a lion. Okay, next letter is M. This is letter M. M is for mouse. This is a mouse. Okay, next letter is N. Can you find letter N? Yes, I found letter N. Okay, take it. Letter N. N is for narwhal. This is a narwhal. Okay, next letter is O. Letter O. O is for owl. This is a owl. Okay, next letter is P. This is a P. Letter P. P is for parrot. This is a parrot. Okay, next letter is Q. Letter Q. Okay, take it. Q is for quail. This is a quail. Okay, next letter is R. Can you find letter R? Yes, I found letter R. Letter R. R is for rabbit. This is a rabbit. Okay, next letter is S. Letter S. S is for sheep. This is a sheep. Okay, next letter is T. Can you find letter T? Yes, I found letter T. Letter T. T is for turtle. This is a turtle. Okay, next letter is U. Letter U. Letter U. Okay, take it letter U. U is for urchin. This is a urchin. Okay, next letter is B. Letter B. B is for vulture. This is a vulture. Okay, next letter is W. Letter W. W is for walrus. This is a walrus. Okay, next letter is X. Letter X. X is for X-ray fish. This is a X-ray fish. Okay, next letter is Y. This letter Y. Y is for yak. This is a egg. Okay, next letter is Z. Letter Z. Z is for zebra. This is a zebra. Okay, once more, friend. A is for ants, B is for bear, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for frog, G is for giraffe, H is for hippo, I is for iguana, J is for jellyfish, K is for koala, L is for lion, M is for mouse, N is for narwhal, O is for owl, P is for parrot, Q is for quail, R is for rabbit, S is for sheep, T is for turtle, U is for urchin, V is for vulture, W is for walrus, X is for X-ray fish, Y is for yak, Z is for zebra. Okay, letter A. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching video. Bye bye.